Here in the United States, you typically measure temperature in Fahrenheit, but today I'm going to tell you why you might want to start measuring it in Celsius. Welcome back to Life-Changing Wealth. You know who it is. It's your boy, Jason Biondo here. Today, we're going to talk about Celsius, the cryptocurrency. I can't wait to get into this. It's a DeFi project that I'm very passionate about that really grabbed my attention almost a year ago. I just can't wait to explain it to you and go into the details of sort of what Celsius is and why you need to know about it. So, first off, Celsius is a DeFi project, essentially a way for you to unbank yourself from the traditional banking model. Celsius is a mobile app or a web app where you can deposit your cryptocurrencies and earn interest on them. So it's very unique in that sense. There are other projects that are similar like BlockFi, but Celsius offers the best interest rates. So before we go there though, why is DeFi so hot? Why are people putting their money in these decentralized finance projects? Well, they're doing it because they want to earn interest that outperforms traditional banking. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to dive right into that. So here we are looking at the average bank interest rates in 2021. These rates are appalling. These rates are embarrassing. And when we just look here, this is, referencing the United States, the interest checking rates, 0.03%. The savings rates, 0.06%. In the money market accounts, the place where people put their money to get the highest interest rate in banking, 0.09%. This is an atrocity to banking, and it should just make you aware of how bad the banking industry is, how much they're taking advantage of you. And I want to throw in a little comedy here. I saw this tweet from Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, just did a post. Just saw a Chase commercial promoting parents setting up a savings account for their baby. Chase savings rate is currently 0.01%. So if that family puts in $10,000, the kid will have made $30,000 when he's 30 years old. Enjoy your free lunch. That's how bad these bank rates are. And just think about how inflation is just sort of devaluing your money over time. So that's the reason why DeFi is so important, and the power of DeFi is to get away from this. So let's look at Celsius. Celsius is essentially a place where you can either borrow money or lend your money out. So how does it work? Well, you put your money into an account on Celsius, and you can then start to earn these crazy high APYs on your savings. As we scroll down here, we can put in an example, right? Let's say we put in $10,000 of Bitcoin for 1 year, and we chose to earn it as a Celsius in the Celsius token. We would make $812 for the year at a 7% interest rate on top of whatever Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin's value were to rise, you would earn that and the additional 7.81%. And that's the power of Celsius. And if you just want to earn it back in Bitcoin, you would earn $639 at a 6.2% APY, which destroys the banking industry. Now, I know what you're thinking. Maybe you don't want to earn it in Bitcoin. Maybe you want to earn it in US dollars. So let's talk about that, right? If we go to a stable currency like TUSD, which really matches the US dollars, you'll earn a 10% return, right? We could even go to other stable coins, BUSD, same thing, 10% return. This far exceeds modern banking. It's really crazy that this even exists. So how does it work? Well, if we take a look at how Celsius actually works, Celsius returns 80% of its revenue to the network users as rewards, okay? And then 20% goes back to the company to fund the project. So essentially what they do is they take in your money, in your wallet and they leverage it up as collateral and sell it to institutional investors that will then go and make investments with your money, and they pay you back in interest. And that's really how it works. So those institutional investors may buy crypto with it. They may buy crypto on margin. They may buy options or use it as a way to create other investment derivative vehicles where they can make money on them while borrowing your money. So that's how it works. But this is a nice, safe way for you to earn some interest on your coins in addition to what would be considered a capital gains appreciation. So now we need to take a look. Should you buy Celsius? Let's take a look at the charts. So this is the TradingView chart. I couldn't find a chart that went back years, but we can see here that in December of 2020, the price, has fluctuated down, it's fluctuated up, it's basically traded sideways. And right now we can see we're way down. We are way down. And that's something to be aware of because I wouldn't necessarily want to take my rewards in Celsius. If I know the price of Celsius is dropping, it's going to hurt my interest rate. So you could just take it in the native currency that you want to earn interest on. But it's a nice way for you to earn interest. I would just avoid taking it as a Celsius token right now based on what I'm seeing in the charts. Or you could take it in Celsius if you believe that the price will appreciate over time. That's the gist of how it works. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys today, just to start thinking about ways to get out of traditional banking and thinking about how screwed you are from using traditional banking. That's what I wanted to share and sort of get the wheels turning in your head. I have placed my referral link to the Celsius wallet in the comment section below. Check it out if you do want to sign up for Celsius. If you throw $400 down, I will earn a commission on that. You still earn the same rewards. It doesn't impact you in any way. I'm just throwing it out there in case you guys want to support the channel. As always, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my other videos.